Welcome to Library Entertainment. Ngasi Day 3 History na mayam bu amuka na taram nukjari mamagi class ani suba phawbada aina tawjakibase non cooperation movement gi matang phawbada aina tawkhre dongase aina paikhat chagadoriba topic asina madu makha chathajarapa All India Caliphate Conference haiba adudagi ai hang oibe aba otokpe aba kogi question khara amari madu karino haibadu amdau ba haibadu ai khara madum ayam da ai tang gi ai discuss tawjage ahambada haiba kogi All India Caliphate Conference dagi oibe aba question khara ai lokhojage masi ani thojaro matungda makata bai adi explain tawjage Hojik aina question ani khak lokhojage Hai ba question si koi previous year singda hangkiba question adu bakti natte adugo lakada bu chagi singda hangpa ya haida ko na thaja ba question singni aham question je how did the government try to suppress the non cooperation movement ai aham ba question sigi answer hana ai pijage hai ba question sigi answer shape page number 132 gi All India Caliphate Conference Haiba topic adugi hek makha da leiba khogi paragraph first paragraph adugi mathang haibadi second paragraph te yawba khogi line khara masidagi khungara bani ai line sing adu pajarake second paragraph ki ani shuba line dagi khungara bani answer se all important national leaders except Gandhiji were arrested public meeting and assemblies were banned newspapers gagged and midnight raids on Congress and Khilafat office become common. Hari basi khumada bani masi kari hari bano hai targadi government na khoi ngasai gi non cooperation movement se nam thanda bu khonor ko matam da tangai fadala khoi luching basing se fa da ba ta madal maram ora kanda Gandhiji thanamaga lemhoba mahaki matung iliba atop national leadership se fazila amadi to khoi public meeting to ba haibadi khoi leba amada ihu lak nam khonor ko matam da meeting ha basi dagayam oi public meeting habase haidi mayam da gyan tahan da ka hoy madu gyan tahan na bugi da maktab tawriba meeting sing ado government na madu thugai rakpa amadi newspaper pauche thinglakpa pauche singje ekhoida mit nakung oheli base ngasi gi media na neba hairiba media se thingba gadi akhoi kadai gi i paw lo godoino maram asina government na hairiba non cooperation movement thingna phono matamda newspaper tinglakpa then adu dagi hendorokna Caliphate office sing amadi Congress office sing da ahing nong ya changna red toksilakpa amadi leader sing je phagalakpa masi mayam se sum toina torokpa taragadi adugumba iho horiba national leader sing ni pukingda akiba tujungba phawragadi iho sing na se mangki gani natragana iho se lepki gani habase British government ni thajabana maram oiragana hairiba thawong sing se chathabane non cooperation movement se namthana bidam asumna hairiba khogi sentence ani se ahanba question si answer se khumbi gadabani mathangi question why did Gandhiji suspended the non cooperation movement masi 3 marks pira hangba ya question ni masi yamna maru oi amadi khangbada yamna haidi khogi kanaba amadi yam maru oi ba khangdaba yada posak amane kari dagi masana hudokjaba iho ama kari damakta masana suspend tawdori bana masi hangba ya question ne madugi chawro maram le maram si kari no hai taragadi Gandhiji si kana no hai base khoina han mamang da khangre mahati non violence yaudaba shanti pamba shanti da yau hujaba kana gumba mi amada harmful pidaba amadi government ki tonga da problem sing haibadi leiba public property sing yekai tungai pidaba ekhoi gi iho hofam thopat adum hoba kana gumba mi amata ayet pa apan pidaba haibase Gandhiji gi magi idea wakhalone adubu kari gi damakta non cooperation movement haibse adugumba iho mani adu kari gi damakta hariba iho se mahangna suspend tawri bano sini hangle wahangse kari gi damakta tawri bano hai taragadi yamna masigi so masigi answer sina hariba All India Caliphate Conference page number 132 gi kogi paragraph ahum suba tu da yawre हारिबा अहुम सुबदगी खुंगदबनी आई हाइफेट पाजरके पारिबा मते अदुदगी खुंगदबनी कोगी थर्ड पैराग्राफ की फर्स्ट लाइन दुगी कोगी फर्स्ट लाइन दुगी मते हम दोसरमगा an incident occurred at Chauri Chaura, a village in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh on 5 February 1922. There was a picketing by a group of volunteers against liquor sale and rise in the food prices. The police trust the leaders of the volunteers. A crowd gathered at the police station. The police fired at them. At this, the procession of the crowd attacked the police station and set fire to it. 7 policemen were burned to death. On hearing the incident, Mahatma Gandhi decided to suspend the non-cooperation movement on February 12, 1922. Hi, this is Matik si khungada bani. Masigi ay kanino haibse am hajarake. Non-cooperation movement howring ay manung asida. Yamna thamoy shokngai oiba incident ama. Ay khoi go dinate masi Mahatma Gandhi ki oina di thamoy da yam sokpa amadi British government ki oina so thamoy da amna sokpa adugumba iho mane thodu amane Chauri Chaura incident se masi karama jaga da hai ta Uttar Pradesh ke khogi Gorakhpur district hai mafam masida 1922 ki February manga na thokiba adugumba incident amane karamba makhal ki incident no hame matamda da khogi volunteer kha khogi non cooperation movement ki volunteer kha thola aga kogi matamda kogi jinja ki maman gi matang da amadi kogi liquid shell habadi kogi yu kaiga yu on ko pasi thingba amadi madu thugai khakai ba tor habadi madu go me id British government gi pochep oi bani na madu thugai be khai ba tor pa madu dagi madu tawre e haiduna amu British ki moi policing haita matamdu gi kogi policing na British ki makha da leba policing china adugumba yahu hori bo yoi singa do phu ba chai ba tor pa even nome ka pa pau tor pa dagi adugumba volunteer sing aduna kogi police station Gorakhpur district ta leiba police station asida mayam yomsal laga mafam du da leiba police station se mai thaba amadi policemen kaya hingna mainung da langsilang hakhiba asiga thogdo ache Mahatma Gandhi na tabadagi February gi 1922 ge February 12 ta mahana decide to have the man lepe non-cooperation movement se man suspend tawre have se man lepki kari da maktu no hai ka man sai mana paham ki pa posak adudi phangre habadi non violence habadi phangre ga non violence adu phangdaw na maram ora kanda aina non-cooperation movement se thabagi mathau ta dre habadi mai wakhalon da khangi da hai da non-cooperation movement se 1922 gi February 12 ta suspend tawkhibane masina Jiki hai ba ani suba jiki lai ba ani suba question jiki answer se masi khum da ba masi ki makha thasida ra pada aina tawgadori ba si civil disobedience movement na koi page number 1333 masi ki makha da koi solve satyagra masi na tawgadori ba si masi da koi gi amangi previous year sing da hangki ba question khara hana lokot jage masi singchan naina ro matung da makha ta ba mun naina jage topic asiki adi manung da kai question khara hangi ba sing ai khara hana adu koi gi madu hana naina jage question ji ijarake am copy togi hauji ai question khara ijare solve satyagra gi mai kai makha chathara pada hadi magi topic sigi makha da yawba question khara ijare ai question jing se previous year da hanki ba question jing ni asem tang pajarake aduga magi answer yawphum jing thum takjarake what is meant by Purna Swaraj 2014 da 1 mark pira hanki ba question ni asina aduga ni subo question china 2020 chakiba chahi duda hankibani in which Congress session was the demand of Purna Swaraj adopted karamba Congress ki session da Purna Swaraj se adopt tokibani haina 1 mark piraga 2020 da hanki aduga ong subo question dai ni jari basina what was Gandhiji's action plan for the civil disobedience movement matau karanda Mahatma Gandhi na civil disobedience movement se chathana bagi damang tamana karam mong thorang thosil sin bani sin ai mathang question sing chi answer sheet pijarake aha bagi question what is meant by Purna Swaraj sai kari mase adum aina dum hajarage answer budi yawre sol satyagraha gi first paragraph adugi kogi Marakta Yaure, Purna Swaraj as an quotation mark or Yauri. Purna Swaraj was adopted 31st December 1929. Purna Swaraj was defined as complete independent. Hariba answer sheet. What is meant by Purna Swaraj? Complete independent. Purna Swaraj. Purna Swaraj Hindi word. Masigi magi meaning subscribe meaning complete independent. Mapung power ningthoujam by. Mapung power ningthoujam by but say Kanana Pame, Ahui Indiana Pame. Karigamutta. Me makha sum later, Sahis and each own some later, Madu the Kana of in a kind. Other daddy, me cook a mutton order so quick. Me be carpon than my apana, Makalam, the Mother Hen Payam said. Mutton to get quaggy. Freedom fighters in national leadership. Makoi Tamu in the power, Madonna Maram or Kanda. Purna Swaraj Makoina. Masidi Mantor. Though Anishuba, Ocean China. Karamba Congress session da Purna Swaraj adopto kibage hai. Masigi answer China Ziki Purna Swaraj ko quotation mark le head mathaki sentence of the yaure Lahore session of Congress in which Jawaharlal Nehru was elected as the president. However, Lahore session of Congress. Lahore session. Answer to Lahore session kumbadam. Lahore session je karamba chahi karamba thada pangthoi hai targadi 1929 gi December 31 to pangthoi Lahore sessions. Lahore the pangthoi ki badugumba Congress ki chahi gi mi phamadu Purna Swaraj have say adopt to have the mase complete independence koi hungsho isho na phangna bai dam ka hona ga dam ne hai se koi Lahore session na siga koi amap to oina ko koi Congress na amato ni yana ki koi kanona Jawaharlal Nehru na Congress president amoina elect to matunda mahana hodolokhiba adugumba koi wahai ni Purna Swaraj sabise asumna anishuba question sigi answer na Lahore session khungba da bane aduga makha ke humsubu question masimadi previous year singda hangkhidri adu hangpa yai masishu tambangamdi aduna akhona khamubu da yam darkar oiba what was Gandhiji's action plan for the civil disobedience movement matokram na mana plan tawgi civil disobedience movement se matokram na koi plan tawgi habdi matokram na sathagade kai khungjang lomda na karam mai kai lomda hariba civil disobedience movement se sathagade habdi masigi answer sina ai answer se koi pa bana pazara ga dum koi adum like to dum koi makha bagi makha dum yawra bani second paragraph ta answer said the movement should be non-violent. Iho was a market or from the compulsory or non-violence or the Masidi Gandhiji the head how go like every movement could be non-violence. Adam general like Madam de Martica, Ahincha, Ahinchagi, Hinchan, Ahincha body name. Anishubara liquid and foreign clothes shops might be picketed. Because you yonba, Amadi foreign the gi posilaka potlam sing yonba dukan chinche, Tingenba, Lotopa, Amadi Habadi Makoche, Mohiki pot labitaba, then dukan chinche, Tingenba Loto. Anishuba. Ohumsubada, people might refuse to pay taxes. Ohumsubis jam number way, Madudi Karino Havamatanga. I couldn't worry as a Karitano. British na India da la au matungda India ki praja sing na wari se kadai da no hai tar gani makogi hodolpa makoina hodolpa Texas mayam je pina bhana da wa ne doi dadi aikoina waro ye natraga na aikoi makogi mayo ka lei hai tar gadi aikoi makoi da piriba aikoina makoi da piriba Texas sing se pi roi da bane hai badi tawroi da lowroi aikoina makoi da masi Texas people already Makona takes a quite low yaba when Peter Piro de have a quite takes Peter Gadi Makoy Karigum Karidorkani Madugi Hadi Madugi action by Hadi Madu reaction to lack away the Montane Gandhi and Sadi Texas Piro de Hibes. Assume the higher point on say Kumgada and such a own to question. Okay Masiga Luna Nasigi day 3 history the Matanga Sidaloshin Jage Haye Hibedi Kogi day 4 history da Hariba unit 2 asigi aroiba saru loshi lemhuriba makha lemhuriba saru singse hayeng loshinjage masigi makha tarpada aina lokhachakriba topic sing aina takriba ai discussion sing ase haidi ayamna pen da comment box ta thambira u amadi link ta su ai gi WhatsApp number yaubani haiba sida dum akogi WhatsApp message thabira ga natraga phone tawbiraga any doubt leba sing adu hangbira pa yagani masigi da mutadi ai day 3 history se matang se lo sinjage. Thank you.